Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Now, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the HUAWEI Health application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In the settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it. And here you should see the option called Share System Notifications, and this option should be enabled. If you're missing this option, you can close the settings for now. Open the HUAWEI Health application on the iPhone. Then tap on Devices. Select your HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro from the list of devices. Now scroll down, tap on Notifications, and here enable the notifications if they're disabled. So enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. And once you enable them, wait a couple of seconds, and you should see the pop-up on the screen about the notifications. And once you see it, tap on Allow, basically, or Pair. You may have the Pair one or Allow one, but basically allow all of the notification permissions, and if it asks you to pair the watch, pair it. And then you can go back to settings, and at this point you should see your watch right here on the list, and you should see the Share System Notifications option. And once you see it, enable it and go back to the main page of settings. Here, scroll down and find the HUAWEI Health application on the list. Once you find it, tap on HUAWEI Health rather, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application. And if you didn't enable the notifications yet, you can go to Devices, select your watch, tap on Notifications, and then enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. So basically enable them like that. And once the notifications are enabled, you can also enable and disable notifications for specific features and apps like Messages and Messenger and other. I recommend to leave them all enabled. And once you do, you can close the app. And now you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone. And if you wake up the screen on your watch and swipe up from the bottom of the screen, you will see that we got the notification on our watch also. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.